Alright, we're going to learn a new rule, and this one's called the chain rule. So the best thing to do is just take a look at an example. Let's call this function s. Why not? And we'll say we're going to, let's see, x plus 1 to the third power. Okay, so this is known as the chain rule. And so we're asked to find s prime of x. We want to find the derivative of this. So s prime of x is equal to, now this is how the chain rule goes. It's like the power rule, except there's an extension to it. You take this 3, bring it out front, just like in the power rule, except this time we rewrite everything in parentheses. Subtract 1 from the exponent, just like the power rule. And then this time we're going to take whatever's in parentheses and chain it out. Okay, so we're going to take the derivative of this and put that derivative right here. So that's really the only difference. It's known as the general power rule. So the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of 1 is 0, so we're just left with a 1 here. And of course we're just going to rewrite this. And this is s prime of x. So that is the power rule, or the general power rule. This is also known as the chain rule. Let's look at another example, of course. Let's say we had y is equal to 7 times x squared plus 1, and it's raised to, let's say, the 7th power. And we're asked to find y prime. Okay, so we're going to take the 7, bring it out front, and 7 times 7 is 49. Rewrite everything in parentheses. Subtract 1 from the 7, you get a 6, and take the derivative of the inside and bring it out right over here. So the derivative of x squared, remember, is 2x, and the derivative of 1 is 0. Now we want to simplify this down. So let's go ahead and take our coefficients. Let's take this 2x and bring it over here. So we have 2 times 49 is going to be 98. X. Alright, we're going to rewrite what's in parentheses. We have x squared plus 1 raised to the 6th power. And of course, don't want to forget that y prime. Let's look at another one. Alright, let's see. We have y is equal to 10. Let's see, and in parentheses I'm going to have x squared plus 2x plus 1, close parentheses, raised to the 4th. Okay, so we take the 4, bring it out front, and 4 times 10 is 40. Rewrite everything in parentheses. Subtract 1 from the exponent, that gives us a 3, and take the derivative of the inside and bring it out. And I'm going to start a parentheses here, so this is x squared. Ooh, taking the derivative. 2 times x plus 2. Okay. And that's y prime. Now we could factor this 2 out if we wanted it and made that an 80, but I'm just going to leave it like it is right here. Alright, so this is the chain rule, also sometimes known as the general power rule. Okay, so we've got the constant rule, the power rule, and the chain rule under our belt. Is it time to learn a new rule? Maybe.